A few years ago, choosing a Semrush trial was easy. There was basically one question: should I try Semrush or not? But in 2026, things are different. Now when you visit Semrush, you'll see multiple trial options like Semrush One Pro and Guru, and that's where most people get stuck, because all of them offer a 14-day free trial. But choosing the wrong one could mean spending your entire trial testing features you don't actually need. So before you activate any Semrush trial, let me show you which plan is best for your specific situation. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether to choose One Pro or Guru. Let's start with simplest answer. If you want access to everything Semrush offers today, including AI search visibility tracking, choose Semrush One. If you're focused only on traditional SEO and Google rankings, choose Guru. And if you're completely new to SEO and just want to learn the basics, start with Pro. That's the short version. Now let's see why. The biggest change in 2026 is Semrush One. This isn't just an SEO tool anymore. It helps you track how your brand appears, not only on Google, but also inside AI platforms like Chat, GPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and AI-powered search engines. For example, if someone asks ChatGPT for the best SEO tools or best web hosting providers, Semrush One can show whether your brand appears in those AI-generated answers. You also get AI visibility tracking, AI prompt monitoring, competitor AI analysis, traditional SEO tools. Think of it as SEO plus AI search in one dashboard. Now, if you only care about Google rankings, Semrush still offers the Pro, and Guru Plan's Pro trial is best for beginners. You can perform keyword research, competitor analysis, backlink audits, and website audits without feeling overwhelmed. The Guru trial is designed for more advanced users. The biggest advantage: historical data. You can analyze SEO trends going back years and access higher limits for tracking keywords, projects, and reports. If you're running a serious website or working with clients, Guru is usually the better choice. Now, let's see how to activate the Semrush free trial. Step 1. Click Semrush trial link in description and open trial page. Step 2. Click Try for 14 days button to begin sign up process. Step 3. Create your Semrush account and continue to next step. Step 4. On the checkout page, review the trial details and enter required billing information to activate your free trial. Step 5. Click Try it now, and you'll get instant access to your selected Semrush toolkit for next 14 days. One important tip: if you don't want to continue with paid plan cancel trial before it ends to avoid automatic billing, you'll still keep access until end of trial period. So which trial should you choose if you're still unsure? Choose Semrush One. It gives you complete picture of modern search, including both Google SEO and AI visibility. You can always downgrade later if you don't need the AI features. We've included the Semrush trial link in description below. Try it for 14 days, explore tools, and see which features are actually useful for you. And if you enjoy SEO tutorials, blogging tips and marketing tools, reviews, subscribe to BloggersPassion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next video.